Hey, in this video we are going to check whether the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro measures the blood oxygen level correctly, and we are going to make comparison with this pulse oximeter. So I'm gonna for sure measure this on the same hand. I'm gonna put the pulse oximeter on my left hand, and now let's enter for this measurement the SpO2, and now let me just click start right here and right here. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. And let's see what we can find, what results we'll actually get. Okay, so on the pulse oximeter, I've got like 98%. It's actually moving from 98 to 97. And now we are waiting for the Smart Band 8 Pro. And as you can see, we got also the 98. Take a look. Okay, it's actually reset, but it was actually the 98. And there we get also the 98. So it actually looks that it is actually legit. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.